Now at 5, the Miami Dolphins take a big step in the road to reopening. The team announcing that fans will be allowed in the stadium for the NFL season. The move comes as the state continues to see the number of daily COVID-19 cases trend downward. Today, the Florida Health Department reported an additional 2,258 cases and 72 deaths. But Fins fans need to understand that their return will not be what it used to be.
The team spelled out a long list of health and safety guidelines during a news conference this afternoon. CBS 4's Joan Murray is outside Hard Rock Stadium, and she begins our team coverage.
Home opener won't be the same for Dolphins fans, but at least some will be in their seats. After spending millions to make Hard Rock Stadium COVID ready, a limited number of ticket holders will watch the game in person September 20th.
The number of 13,000 wasn't a target. It wasn't something we were trying to hit. It was just a function of, look, the physical space we have, if we create pods of 2, 4, 6 seats and we distance them 6 feet apart, where does the capacity end up? And it ended up at 13,000.
There are 2 ways to scan your ticket when you arrive at the turnstile.
There's contactless entry, touch-free restrooms. Seats are far apart. The air filtration is hospital grade. Tailgating has been eliminated, and everyone must wear a mask.
We're telling season ticket members, if you are at risk in any way, if you're in an at-risk category, we would ask you to stay home this year.
Mondays are fun days.
The Dolphins have been practicing following safety guidelines like temperature checks and daily virus testing. They are one of the few teams in the NFL who will play before a live crowd. The governor said the timing could not be better.
Today, the state reported the lowest number of new cases since June 14th, and we've seen that downward trend pretty consistently over the past several weeks. The positivity rate in terms of the percentage of tests coming back positive was 5.2%. For today, Broward was 4.3%.
The University of Miami Hurricanes will also have fans for their first game at Hard Rock Stadium, but not everyone is cheering. Former president and current Congresswoman Donna Shalala tweeted, "It is difficult to open anything in a pandemic, much less a stadium for live sporting events. We'll continue seeing inconsistent progress fighting the virus if we again loosen restrictions immediately."
While the season for the fans will start in season, there's no telling what it will be like at the end of the season. We're told there will be a reevaluation every few weeks to see how this minimal fan-based stadium approach is going. In Miami Gardens, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.